Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use HubSpot for e-commerce marketing step by step and how to grow online sales effectively in 2026. Let's begin. HubSpot helps e-commerce businesses attract shoppers, convert visitors into customers, and retain buyers through automation and personalization. Everything starts with proper setup. First, connect your e-commerce store to HubSpot. Integrate platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to sync customers, orders, and product data automatically. This allows HubSpot to track the complete customer journey. Next, focus on audience segmentation. Use purchase history, browsing behavior, and lifecycle stages to create smart contact lists. Segmentation ensures each customer receives relevant messages. Now work on lead and customer acquisition. Use landing pages, pop-up forms, and discount offers to capture emails from visitors. All contacts are saved directly into HubSpot CRM. Email marketing is a core part of e-commerce success. Create automated emails for welcome messages, abandoned carts, product recommendations, order confirmations, and re-engagement campaigns. Use personalization tokens to make emails feel one-to-one. To scale faster, use workflows and automation. Automatically send follow-ups after purchases, upsell-related products, and remind customers about unfinished checkouts. Automation helps increase conversions without manual effort. Use lead scoring and customer scoring to identify high-value buyers. Prioritize loyal customers for special offers, early access, or VIP campaigns. Take advantage of ads integration. Connect Facebook, Google, or Instagram ads to retarget visitors and past buyers directly from HubSpot. Track ad performance and ROI in one dashboard. Analyze performance using reports and dashboards. Monitor email revenue, conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and repeat purchases. Use insights to optimize campaigns continuously. In summary, using HubSpot for e-commerce marketing allows you to combine automation, personalization, and analytics in one platform. With the right strategy, HubSpot helps you increase sales, retain customers, and scale your e-commerce business in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.